Hi, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make black bean salad. So here are the ingredients. This is 1 cup of black beans. I rinse them, wash them and soak them in 2 cups of water at night and let them stay whole night in the water. In the morning I drained black beans from the water and then added 2 more cups of water and boiled them in the pressure cooker. So after boiling, this is how they look like. I have shown in my another video how to boil the black beans and the link is in the descriptions. Now let's mix the salad. Here are the beans and this is half medium tomato. Next ingredient I used is cucumber. I used this much cucumber, so I am adding this. And I used this much of lettuce, and here goes the lettuce in the salad. I used half avocado and little bit of olives, 1 onion and little bit of cilantro. We are going to mix the salad really well. So see, you can see all the ingredients, they are mixed. So salad is now mixed. For the dressing I use black pepper, ginger, salt and olive oil and lemon. Here I have to add one thing, that all the ingredients for the dressing you will add when you are ready to eat. If you mix it beforehand, then salad gets soggy. I put my dressing directly on the salad and I am using this 1/4 of a teaspoon. So here is the black pepper, ginger, 1/4 of ginger and 1/4 spoon of a salt, and I will use maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then squeeze half the lemon. So now I'm going to add lemon. So I will squeeze it through a sieve so the seeds just stay on the sieve and don't mix in the salad. So lastly we have sunflower seeds. So I mixed this spoon full of sunflower seeds here. And now that I will mix it again and salad is ready to eat. Salad is ready. Wow, it smells so good and it looks so good too. So now I'm going to serve in my plate. If you want, we can add a little bit of more. And here, it's ready for eating. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.